Welcome. In this video, we are talking about polyvinyl chloride, which is more commonly known as PVC. This is a low-cost material that is very popular and used in a wide variety of applications. PVC has excellent chemical resistance. It's resistant to mild acids, alkali, and solvents. It also has very good dimensional stability and near zero moisture absorption. This makes PVC ideal for water and steam applications where you frequently see the material used for manifolds and other parts. It can withstand exposure to temperatures as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're looking for a similar material that can withstand temperatures up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, then you may want to consider CPVC instead. PVC also machines to very tight tolerances. If you have a project that requires a precision part, this material can be a great option. It's ideal for thermoforming, chemical processing, and metal finishing. At Controlled Fluidics, we can get PVC in a wide range of colors from clear to bright and bold hues. We see this material commonly used for bearings, rings, rotors, and other parts.